Okay, so hi dear Taurus, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 25th till the 31st of August. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. Okay, I'm going to do the reading a little bit differently today. Hope you guys are going to like it. I felt very intuitively guided to do the reading this way. So let me know in the comment section how it works for you, how it goes for you. Overall energy for you guys for the week, for this week from Oshos and Tarot Taurus people. Understanding. See, you guys need to understand the limitation is your own energy. You have this limiting belief, or this is your mental jail that is stopping you from moving forward in your life and like flying as high as you want to. Nothing else, no one else is responsible for you being not able to get what you want. This is your self created cage. You have to understand this on a very very deeper level, that this cage that you think is a cage is actually not there. It's just an illusion that the cage is there. You can definitely fly, you can definitely do everything in your life the way you want it, but because of your mental jail, because of your limiting belief, because of your limited understanding, you might not be able to get there. For those people who thinks like the circumstances are such, my friends are like this, my family is like this, the society is like this, you guys can definitely take a stand for yourself. You guys can definitely fly as high as you want to, but you have to understand that this is your self created cage. Nobody else, nothing else is stopping you. You have to have the courage to go beyond this. Okay, this is the overall energy for you guys, overall message for this week. Let's do the reading now on a per day basis. 25th, we have the master. See, the master here represents for the 25th, like you are your own master. Okay, but if by any chance you feel like you can definitely do everything possible, whether it's your spiritual growth, whether it's your career growth, or some kind of other growth in other areas of your life, you can have the mastery over these things yourself only. Okay, nothing else, no one else is required from the outside world. But if you feel like you are feeling stuck and you are not able to go beyond a certain level, you can take help from somebody. You can take help from someone who is a master in their field, or you feel intuitively guided to connect with that person, or take help from that person, or maybe take them as your guru or master or something like that. Okay, master in this particular deck means that you can be your own master. No outside master is required. But if you feel like you can take help, you should take help from somebody in order to go beyond a certain level, you can. But don't get obsessed or don't get too attached with the idea of having an outside master. This happened to me like few days ago only, and I am now living evidence of this thing. 26th, we have the laziness. Taurus. We Taurus have this tendency to feel like that materialistic things is the real achievement, is the real growth. Can you see this person enjoying and doing everything? But this illusion, this is glass. The moment this glass is going to break, his illusion is going to fall apart, and he is going to be left with nothing. This all materialistic things, this all that he is like feeling like this is stability, this is a long term growth, is going to fall apart in seconds. Okay, so we should understand that the real happiness, that the real growth comes from within ourselves. Okay, the real growth comes when we are spiritually aligned with our life, when we are happy and peaceful from inside. Maybe this person might see, he even if he's having everything, he doesn't seem to be very happy about it. So maybe we have everything right now, or we are just chilling, or we are just feeling like, okay, materialistic things are the only things that matters. At the end of the day, we are fooling ourselves. If we are not at peace, if we are not happy, if we are not aligned with the universe, these things are bullshit, complete crap, that we have to understand. So laziness of not going inside and not looking into the real issues is not going to help you. At some point of time, you have to come back to yourself. 26th, 27th, 28th, we have the lovers. Okay. Now, here lovers can represent your own divine feminine and divine masculine energies. Okay, honey. It's like you might feel connected to something or someone on a deeper level. Now, understand the meaning of love here. Love is not lust, it's like attraction, then moving to the next level of love, proper love. Then that love converts into something very spiritual, something very divine. And then you, even if you are not together, even if you are not attached physically, you feel a divine connection, a divine bond with something or someone. It can be a master, it can be your spiritual growth, it can be a person. The lovers here represents you have to go beyond those attraction things, those trying to control each and everything in your life thing, in maybe other person's life, if you are having a relationship with somebody else. Or you have to, build your relationship with yourself in a beautiful and positive way, where you are continuously freeing yourself from the attachments of how love should look like, how romantic love should look like, or how a romantic lover can be in your life. You have to go beyond that illusion of how a lover should be. And then the real love is going to be in your life the way it should. I am going to tell you the deeper meanings from this from today onwards, because intuitively I am getting a lot more downloads than usual, and I feel very guided to do the readings these in this way. So for 25th, 26th, 27th, 27, for 27th, you need to understand the true meaning of love, true deep rooted meaning of love in actually every connection, but for mostly in romantic relationships. What is the meaning of true love? You have to write an essay on this topic on that day. Okay, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, we have the control. Now, honey, the more you are going to try to control things, people, situations, and everything in your life, the more you are just hurting yourself and harming yourself only. You cannot control each and everything in your life, Taurus. Even if you think you can, nobody can. So trying to control each and everything in your life is major foolishness. It's like this is a robotic kind of a figure. This man has gone crazy. They don't understand the feelings, they don't understand the essence of truthfulness and happiness and peacefulness. All they want is to control each and everything in their life. That can happen only with robots, not humans. So you have to let go of the control and start living in the present moment as much as you can. You cannot control each and everything, even if you think you can, right? It's impossible. You have to, this is the message for this day: 28, 25, 26, 27, 28. Yes. 29th, we have the intensity. Okay. So, honey, you are going to feel a very, very intense feeling, intense desire to go in a particular direction or change something and do something about a particular situation in your life. It's so intense, you are going to be overwhelmed. But if this intensity is not going to be mixed with awareness, it's surely going to be a disaster. Be very, very aware of what is going to be the outcome, or what is going to be the consequences of this action of yours in whatever direction you are trying to go ahead with this much intensity plus awareness can bring you good results, and intensity and lack of awareness can create disaster in your own life. That you have to take care of. Okay. 26, 25th, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30th. 30th, we have the success. You are going to get some kind of success in some area of your life. You should definitely celebrate this success to the fullest. You should give party. You should, connect with your friends, and you have every right to feel at the top of the world. But at the same time, be grounded, stay humble also. Because Taurus, you might feel like this, I deserve this kind of success, only I deserve this, nobody else can do that, nobody else can achieve that. This ego driven success can kill your happiness in the long term. Yeah, so stay grounded, stay humble, and enjoy the success in a beautiful and positive way. Then it's going to be a success in the real sense, and help others also to grow. Yeah, That's how you share happiness. 31st, we have the harmony. Work on your heart chakra, honey. The more you're going to work on your heart chakra, the more you are going to feel harmonious, in a harmonious kind of connection with existence. And then your intuition is also going to guide you in different areas of your life, the way you should go ahead. It's like relax, calm down, just work on your heart chakra, work on your feelings and your expressions, and maintain a relationship with existence, and you will be intuitively guided to the next steps of your life in a beautiful and positive way. You are going to get the downloads like me. Okay, nice. These are the messages for you guys for this week. Let me see the final message for you guys as a guidance for the whole week. Taurus. Beyond illusion. Okay. It's like the caterpillar is becoming the butterfly here, and now they are able to see everything very, very clearly. They are coming out of the illusion that I belong to darkness only. I will never be able to fly. I will never be able to get out of this cocoon. So you have to, if right now your life is in some kind of dark phase, understand that right now you are in the universal cocoon, and someday you are going to flourish. Someday you are going to become a butterfly, and you will be able to just fly high. So right now, if you are in the darkness, try to see beyond the illusion that this darkness is just an illusion. You will be able to get out of it sooner or later in your life. Just keep going, have the trust, have the faith. Sometimes a player have to take a step back in order to run fastly. That might be the case for you. So you have to see beyond the illusions, that whatever you think is the truth is not the truth actually. The truth is that you will be able to get out of it. The cocoon, the caterpillar, is bound to become a butterfly only if it is, only if it is able to trust the process. Takes time. Yeah, takes time. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.